Good morning everyone. Previously we have done chapter 1 worksheet 3 question number 1, 2 and 3. In this video we are going to cover question number 4. In question number 4 we have to find out these unknown numbers. So how we are going to solve it? Let us see. Let us start. First we have to take the number which is given to us, that is 2 upon 7 is equal to, first we are going to take this number, okay, 8 upon dash. So we can write over here x by cross multiplication. We can find out the value of x, or second we can do it like this, that in place of 2 we are getting 8. So what should be, from 2 we are coming to 8, that means we have multiplied 2 by some number, that's why we are getting the greater number. So in this question also, by which number we have to multiply 2 so that it will become equal to 8. So हम क्या करते थे, we will divide these two numbers. So it is 2 4s are 8. That means we are going to multiply 2 by which number? 4. If in the numerator we are going to multiply by 4, in the denominator also we are going to multiply by 4. So 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. So your first answer is 28. Fine. Now second part, let us see. It is, now again take the given number 2 upon 7 and we have to find out this number, and in the denominator it is minus 63. Now see, from 7 to minus 63 we have to come here. So by which number we have to multiply 7? So let us see that. 63 divided by 7, 7 9s are 63. That means over here we are going to multiply by 9, but over here we are getting minus, so that means this 9 will be of minus sign. So 7 9s are 63 with minus sign, and 2 9s are minus 18. So this is our answer. Fine. This is the first answer and this is second one. Clear? Now let us see second part. It is, second part is 36 upon dash is equal to minus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 84 upon again dash. So this number is given with the numerator and the denominator. We will just take this number minus 4 upon 9. Okay. First we will take 36 upon unknown number. Now see, over here it is minus 4. We are getting 36. That means 4 will be multiplied with some number so that it will become equal to 36. So by which number? So let us divide. 4 9s are 36. So it is multiply by 9. Over here it will be multiply by 9. But it is of plus sign. अगर हम -4 और 9 को multiply करते हैं, then we will be getting minus 36. But in our answer there is plus 36. That means again 9 will be of minus sign. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 9. So it is minus into minus is plus. 4 9s are 36 and 9 9s are 81. But one number is negative. So in your answer there will be minus. Fine. Now let us take, this was the first solution. Now minus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 84 upon unknown number. So from 4, minus 4 to minus 84. So again let us divide. 4 2s are 8. Take 4 down. 4 1s are 4. So that means you are going to multiply it by 21. 4 over 9 multiply by 21. That is equal to minus 84. Okay, and upon denominator also. So 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So it is the 189. Okay, over here it is minus, in the answer it is also minus. So that means only one number is negative. So we are going to multiply it by plus 21. So this is your required answer. This is minus 81 and 189. These are the two answers. Fine. Now third part you will try yourself. Clear? So now let us take another concept, which is absolute value. Absolute value of rational number. So what is the absolute value of rational number? In previous class also you have studied the absolute value. For example, if I am taking 6, then the absolute value of the 6 will be equal to, the sign of absolute is like this, and it is equal to 6. If minus 6 is given, then absolute value of minus 6 will be equal to 6. It means the absolute value of any number will always be positive. Remember that absolute value of any number will always be positive. ठीक है, और we can say that absolute value of any number is either equal or greater than the given number. ठीक है, मैं फिर से बोल रही हूँ, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एनी नंबर और एनी रैशनल नंबर इज आइदर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू द नंबर इटसेल्फ. सी +6 आंसर में भी कितना आ रहा है, +6. ठीक है, -6 आंसर में कितना आ रहा है, +6. अब +6 दीज आर इक्वल, एंड -6 एंड +6 इन दोनों में से बड़ा कौन सा है, इट इज +6. दैट मीन्स मैंने क्या बोला आपको, the absolute value of any number or any rational number is either equal or greater than the given number. Clear? So let us take one example. For example, I am going to take from a book only 4/5. The absolute value will be, sign of absolute value will be these two bars. Okay, so it is equal to 4/5. Now minus 4/5, then its absolute value will be -4/5, which is equal to 4/5. ठीक है, तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, the absolute value of a rational number is written in this way. ठीक है, absolute value of every rational number other than 0 is always positive. +4/5 absolute value is +4/5. -4/5 absolute value of -4/5 is +4/5. ठीक है, so absolute value of any rational number is either equal or greater than the rational number other than 0. Now what about 0? 0 आपका एक ऐसा rational number है, the absolute value of the 0, it will be equal to 0 itself. Fine. So let us take question from worksheet number 4. So question number 1 is, find the absolute value of first part 1/-5. So how we are going to do it? 1/-5 absolute value is, that is equal to 1/5. माइनस है, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ली हमने, इट विल बी इक्वल टू +1/5. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट 7/9. सो इट्स एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू विल बी 7/9, दैट इज इक्वल टू 7/9. ठीक है, थर्ड पार्ट 0/-4. सो 0 डिवाइडेड बाय एनी नंबर विल बी 0. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस नंबर, it will be 0 or it will be simply 0. 0 divided by any number will be 0, और 0 की absolute value क्या होगी, हमेशा 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0 itself. ठीक है, और किसी भी रैशनल नंबर की अगर हम absolute value लेते हैं, it will be either equal to or greater than the given rational number. ये आपने 3 पॉइंट्स याद रखने हैं. नेगेटिव में था, आंसर आपका पॉजिटिव आ गया. नाउ सी, over here the absolute value is greater than the given number, and in this case the question was positive and the answer is also equal. सेम आ रहा है ना, क्वेश्चन के जैसे ही सेम आंसर है आपका. दैट मीन्स द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एनी रैशनल नंबर इज आइदर इक्वल और इट इज ग्रेटर देन द गिवन रैशनल नंबर. एंड थर्ड केस वी हैव टेकन दैट इफ 0 इज गिवन, ठीक है, 0/any number we know it is equal to 0 and the absolute value of 0 is always equal to 0. ठीक है, so this was your absolute value. Fourth part is also there, that is your homework. Try yourself. ठीक है, it's very simple, you can do it. Now let us take question number 2. It is your worksheet number 4. Question number 2 is, compare absolute values of first part 3/-7 and minus 3 upon 7. Means first you have to find out the absolute value of these two numbers, then you have to compare. Compare means आपने बताना है which number is greater and which number is smaller. So first find out the absolute value. 3 upon minus 7, absolute value, that will be equal to 3 upon minus 7, or it will be equal to 3 upon 7. It will become positive. Now second number is minus 3 upon 7, absolute value, that is equal to minus 3 upon 7, which is again equal to 3 upon 7. ये हमने absolute values find out कर दी. Now we have to compare. Now 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. So both the numbers are equal. That means absolute value of 3 upon minus 7 is equal to absolute value of minus 3 upon 7. So this is your answer. Both the values are equal. Clear? Very simple. Now second part, let us see it. Minus 5 upon 7 and 4 upon 3. So how we are going to solve it? So first, minus 5 upon 7, absolute value is, it is minus 5 upon 7, that is equal to 5 upon 7. Now 4 upon 3, absolute value will be 4 upon 3, which is again equal to 4 upon 3. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव रहेगा, नेगेटिव है तो वो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. नाउ 5 upon 7 and 4 upon 3. Now just cross multiply. Now 5 and 3 multiply by 3 and 7 into 4. 3 we have shifted it to 5 and 7 we have shifted it to 4. So both they are in the division. When we are going to shift, they will become in the multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 7 4s are 28. Which number is greater? 28. That means 4 upon 3. Absolute value of 4 upon 3 is greater than 5 upon 7. So how we are going to write our answer? 4 upon 3 is greater than minus 5 upon 7. सीधी सी बात है. सी वन नंबर इज नेगेटिव, वन नंबर इज पॉजिटिव. आपको पता है नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव नंबर में से पॉजिटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर. फाइन. सो डोंट कंफ्यूज योर सेल्फ. थोड़ा सा सोचना है. पॉजिटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द नेगेटिव नंबर. सो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज, दिस मेथड you have also done in the 6th standard also, how to compare two numbers. Fine. Now how to compare two rational numbers. Again we are going to solve these kind of the questions. So just cross multiply. Whatever the answer will come, you have to just find out which number is greater. To that side which rational number will be lying, that will be greater. So 4 upon 3 is greater than minus 5 upon 7, or absolute value of 4 upon 3 is greater than absolute value of minus 5 upon 7. So in this way you have to solve third part also. So this will be your homework. Fine. Now question number 3, which is again very simple. Find all the rational numbers. Find all the rational numbers whose absolute value is, first part 2 upon 5. पहले क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड करना है. क्वेश्चन मीन्स दैट फाइंड ऑल द रेशनल नंबर्स हुज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज 2 upon 5. आपने वो सारे के सारे रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं जिनकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 2 upon 5 हो सकती है. तो फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर तो आ जाएगा 2 upon 5. अगर हम इसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 2 upon 5. नाउ सेकेंड विल बी minus 2 upon 5. Its absolute value will also be 2 upon 5. So either 2 upon 5 or minus 2 upon 5. These are your two answers. So 2 upon 5 or minus 2 upon 5. ठीक है. So these are the two answers. Now second part 0. So मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बता दिया 0 आपका एक ऐसा नंबर है whose absolute value will be 0 itself. So its answer will be 0 itself. ठीक है. Now 3 upon 4. So again 3 upon 4, absolute value of 3 upon 4 will be equal to 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4, absolute value of minus 3 upon 4 will be equal to 3 upon 4. ठीक है. So first answer is 3/4, सेकेंड आंसर इज -3/4. इन दोनों नंबर्स की जब आप एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू लोगे, बोथ द आंसर विल बी इक्वल टू 3/4, विच इज़ योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ठीक है. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो सी अगेन, 2/5 absolute value will be 2/5, matching with the question. -2/5, absolute value of -2/5 will be equal to 2/5. And 0 is the number whose absolute value is the 0 itself. Okay, so this was your worksheet number 4. Very simple and very easy. Fine, you have to solve it. So that's all. Thank you.